del secreto hit Stellar. I'm floating in the stratosphere, talking to the stars, asking them directions to where you are. From the meteor that passed by, I'm guessing you're near or far. The earth revolves in circles and goes the other way. Everything's in slow motion, still a light years away. I've searched the solar system, I'm thinking of what you'd say. On my journey through into the galaxy, all the life forms are quite like you. They don't have the lifespan or capacity of the light that shines from you. I'm sending my signals to you, you are stellar. Hope that you can hear me, a stellar. Pray that you're beside me, a stellar. I wish that you were here. You were stellar. Lost communication, a stellar. Is this a consolation, a stellar? I wish that you were here. I know she changed position, I can tell it from the stars. She received my transmission, she can't be far. In the cause of our collision, I hope we don't break apart.